Hi Erica, I figured making a video for you would probably be easier than trying to explain this in an email or with screenshots. So what you're going to do is for all of the courses in this sheet at the top, so anything under this phase 2, that's what we're setting up a project management sheet for. So what I did is I broke down all these tabs by program director, and then I pre-populated the sheet in all of them with the columns. And then if they have more than one, they wanted them to go left or right. So Chelsea only has one, Emily has a couple. And basically what we would be doing is going in the project folder. So I happen to have CMS 101 open, which is a current project. You would basically go in the project folder, which they should all be linked here. So you would just, boom, click on the project folder and look for the matrix here. So each folder should have a matrix. If you're not seeing one right off top, look in the mapping project plan here, because a lot of times people just linked it within the project plan. Let's see if it'll let me scroll down. So usually the bubble would be here linked, and then the matrix would be here linked. So that's just another background place to go. But once you see it and you're able to verify it goes with the right class, don't pay attention to the course competencies at all. You're just going to go straight to the assignment part. So you would take, sorry, my scroll bar isn't working right now. But you would basically just copy and paste this assignment information right into, this is one of Sarah's courses, this information. So it's just literally copying and pasting this matrix. These are frozen. Right into the little sheets. So if you want to take a stab at a couple and then leave me a couple for Friday, that's fine with me. I don't mind. I'm going to be setting up project folders pretty much the whole day anyway. So use this 300 as a model, and then, yeah, just start digging in the project folders and look for that matrix. And then, like I said, they're all linked here except for ones that maybe got added last minute. But if you can't find them, you would just go in Google and do a quick search for it. They're all within the Soul folder. All right, good luck, and let me know if you have questions, and thank you for your help.